Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, children. Hello. Am I audible? Hello. Am I audible? Okay. Only 31 people are joined. Is any student is there from 10B? Yes. Yeah. Mahaganadhipataye. Good morning. Uh, we are discussing about quadratic equation. The general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. A, b, c are real numbers. That means in the place of a, b, c you can take rationals or irrationals or both. Real numbers means it is rational as well as irrational together is real numbers. The union of rational numbers and irrational numbers together is real numbers. Okay. So A, B, C are real numbers and A must not be equal to 0. And we have seen many real life situations where the real this quadratic equations is having its applications. Okay. So what we are going to learn in this topic in class 10, that is we have to know first. Number one, first point, finding the zeros. Finding the zeros of the given quadratic equation with the different methods. You have two methods to find out the for finding the zeros of given quadratic equation. What are the two methods? One is splitting the middle term. The other one is quadratic formula. These are the two ways. These are the two ways that we can find out the zeros of the given quadratic equation. Okay. So this is the concept one. Second concept, nature of roots. Nature of roots are zeros. Means what kind of zeros that the given quadratic equation is having. What kind of zeros? Real zeros or not real zeros? Okay. We know that every quadratic equation is having two zeros. And what kind of zeros are there? That is the concept of nature of roots. Okay, na? And third concept is word problems. Word problems means situational problems, or I can say it as real life situations where quadratic equation is having its applications. Okay, so only these three concepts are there. Okay, now so First we will try how to find out the zeros. How to find out the zeros of the given quadratic equation by splitting the middle term. Before that, I will give some equations over here. And you have to tell me whether that equation is a quadratic forms a quadratic equation or not. The first one is this one. X plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 into x minus 3. 2 into x minus 3. Children, you have to simplify this equation and tell me whether the equation at the end we are getting is a quadratic or not. You need to simplify this equation and tell me whether it is a quadratic equation or not. I am giving you 1 minute. Fast. Okay, leave it. Not able to see that properly. Camera shaking may be a problem in the mobile. Maybe it is a problem in the mobile. Okay, leave that one. Are you able to see that problem or not? You tell me that. Is the problem is visible or not? Who is Nikhilesh? He is saying that earthquake. Is the problem visible or not, children? Okay. Then simplify it and tell me whether it is a quadratic equation or not. Yes, it is a quadratic equation. Let me explain that one. This is in the form of a plus b whole square. So we can write it as a square plus 2ab plus b square. This one. A square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to 2x minus 2 into x, 2 into minus 3, 6. Now simplify this. X square plus 2x plus 1 minus 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. Bringing all this term to this side. Now simplification, minus 2x plus 2x get cancelled. X square 1 plus 6, 7 is equal to 0. So x square plus 7, is it a quadratic equation or not? It's a quadratic equation. Okay. Next one. X minus 1 and x plus 3. Yeah. See this children? Is this a quadratic equation? Simplify that and tell me whether it is a quadratic equation or not. It is not a quadratic equation. No. So x square plus minus 2 plus 1 times of x plus minus 2 into 1 x square plus minus 1 plus 3 times of x plus minus 1 into 3 So x square minus x minus 2 is equal to x square plus 2x minus 3. X square get cancelled on both sides. So minus 2 plus 3 is equal to 2x plus x. 1 is equal to 3x. It is not a quadratic equation. 1 is equal to 3x. It is not a quadratic equation. Okay na? One more problem I am giving you. One more problem. Please tell me whether this one is a quadratic equation or not. Please tell me about that. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 equal to x minus 2 whole cube. Is it a quadratic equation? Is it a quadratic equation, children? Yes. Let me see that. We know a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Okay. So x minus 2 whole cube is x cube minus 3 into x whole square into 2 3 into x into 2 square minus 2 cube. So x cube minus 6x square plus 12x minus 8. So x minus 2 whole cube expansion is this one. Now x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 12x minus 8. So here we can cancel x minus q, x cube on both sides. So minus 4x square plus 6x square minus x minus 12x plus 1 plus 8 is equal to 0. Means bringing all these terms to this side. Bring all these terms to this side. Minus x square, 6x square becomes plus 6x square. Plus 12x becomes minus 12x. Minus 8 becomes plus 8. So on simplification what I will get? 2x square here. Negative 13x plus 9 is equal to 0. Which is a quadratic equation. Which is a quadratic equation. Is that understood, children? Is that understood? Now, I will tell you a situational problem. There is a rectangular pool. There is a rectangular pool whose area is 528 meters square. Whose area is 528 meters square. Okay na? It's a rectangular pool. A pool is in the shape of a rectangle whose area is 528 meters square. I want to find out its length and breadth. I want to find out its length and breadth. I don't know them, means I don't know the length and the breadth, and I want to find out it. But I know the relation between those two dimensions. What is that? Length is equal to 1 more than twice breadth. 1 more than twice the breadth. Given that length is 1 more than twice the breadth. Okay. I don't know the actual dimensions of the rectangular pool, but its area is 528 meters square, and I want to find out length and breadth. There is a relation between length and breadth. Its length is 1 more than twice breadth, that is given. Okay. Now, we know L into B is 528, is that right? L into B is 528. Now, but L is 2B plus 1, is that right? 2B plus 1 into B is equal to 528. Now simplify this. 2B square plus B is equal to 528. 2B square plus B minus 528 is equal to 0. We got a quadratic equation. We got a quadratic equation. Now, by splitting the middle term formula or the method, we have to find out the length and the breadth. First find out the breadth, then you will get length. Is that right, children? First find out the breadth by the splitting the middle term. Do it fast. I think now there is no shaking in the camera. Is that right, children? Okay. Find out length and breadth, children. First find out breadth using splitting the middle term formula. Not formula, method. First what is the step 1? What is the step 1 I told you? Multiply A and C. Multiply A and C. I think it is 1056. 1056. So we need to search for two numbers. Search for two numbers whose product is 1056 and sum is 1. Middle term 1. Middle term is 1. Product is negative 1056. Sorry. Product is negative 1056 and sum is plus 1. Middle term is 1b plus 1. So for this what we have to do? First 2 prime factorization, 2 5s, 2 8, again with 2. 2 2s are 4, 6, 4. Again with 2, 1, 3, 2. Again with 2. 2 6 are 2 6 are. Again with 2, 33. Now 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 16, 32. So 32 into 33. 32 into 33 is 1056 and the difference between them is 1. Difference between them is 1. So how can we express here? 2b square plus 33b minus 32b minus 528 is equal to 0. So middle term was splitted like this. 33b minus 32b. It was splitted like that. 33b minus 32b. Because 33 into 32 is 1056. It is 1056. And the difference is 1. And the difference is 1. Now find out breadth Find out breadth and length. From the two terms we can take b common. Remaining is 2b plus 33. And from here, I can take negative 16 common. Negative 16. So 2b plus 33 is equal to 0. 2b plus 33, b minus 16. b is equal to negative 33 by 2. b is equal to 16. b 16 or negative 33 by 2. Negative 33 by 2 we cannot consider it because b means breadth. b means breadth. So breadth will not be in negatives. Breadth will not be in negatives. So it means the dimensions of any rectangle or any square or whatever it may be, any object, its dimensions will not be in negative. So b negative 33 by 2 we cannot consider it. So b 16. If b is 16, then length is 2 into 16 plus 1, 33. So length of the rectangle is 33 and the breadth is 16. Okay, na? Now, yeah. Now one more situational problem. One more situational problem. Yeah. There are two consecutive integers. There are two consecutive integers. Positive integers. Consecutive positive integers whose product is 306. Whose product is 206. Find the positive integers. Once again the question. There are two consecutive positive integers. Consecutive positive integers. Their product is 306. Find the integers. This is the question. Consecutive means two numbers are said to be consecutive. Their difference is 1. Like 7 and 8, 12 and 13, 56, 57, 102, 103, like that. Consecutive means if the difference between any two numbers is 1, they are called consecutive numbers. Okay? Now, let the first number be x and second number will be x plus 1, because let the first number be x, then automatically second number will be x plus 1. Endukani? They are consecutive numbers. Okay na? First is x, then the second one is x plus 1. Then the first number is x and second number is x plus 1. Given that their product is 306. Given that their product is 306. Find the number. Children, do it fast. What are those two numbers? So 11 students left the class at a time. 11 students. Not even numbers. Consecutive numbers I told. I told consecutive numbers, not even numbers. positive integers I told you. 2 consecutive positive integers I told you. Maximum students joined 51 and now only 43 are there. 88 people left the class in the middle. Huh? Now x into x plus 1 is equal to 306. X square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. X square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. You can take prime factorization for 306. 2 1s are 253, now 3. 3 5s are 1s are, now 3. 1s, 7s. So this is 18. So x square plus 2 6 are 2 3 are 6 6 3 are 18. 18x minus 17x minus 306 is equal to 0. Take x common. X plus 18 minus 17 common. X plus 18 is equal to 0. So x plus 18 into x minus 17 is equal to 0. So x is either negative 18 or 17. So can we consider negative 18, children? Can we consider negative 18? Can we consider negative 18? No. Why? It is clearly said that both the numbers are positive integers. They are positive integers. So we cannot consider negative 18. We'll consider only positive 17. So if the first number is 17, second number will be 18. So the two consecutive positive integers are 17 and 18. Yeah. One more problem we'll see. One more problem. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. We would like to find Rohan's present age. In this situation, two people are there. One is Rohan, second one is his mother. Rohan and his mother. Two people are there. And the situation is talking about their ages. Situation is talking about their ages, present ages, not ages, their present ages. So, let us consider the present age of Rohan is x years. Present age of Rohan is x years. So, according to the problem, his mother age will be x plus 26 years. It is clearly given. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. So if the present age of Rohan is x years, then the present age of his mother is x plus 26 years. Okay? Now what he says? 3 years from now. 3 years from now, 3 years from now, Rohan becomes x plus 3 years. 3 years from now, Rohan becomes x plus 3 years, and his mother becomes x plus 29 years. His mother becomes x plus 29 years. Okay. Now, 3 years from now, product of their ages is 360. 3 years from now, product of their ages is 360. Find the present age of Rohan. Do it fast, children. Do it fast. Seven years, huh? Is that right? This is 7 years, 13 years. Who is right? 7 years or 13 years? X square plus 32x plus 87 is equal to 360. X square plus 32x minus 360 minus 87, 273, yeah? Yeah, 273 is equal to 0. So 273, 3 9s are 3 1s are 7 1s, 7 3s. Is 39 minus 7. X square 39x minus 7x minus 273 is equal to 0. I think x is 7 correct. X is 7 correct. Splitting the middle term, 39 minus 7. X is 7 correct. Rohan's present age is 7 years. Rohan's present age is 7 years. And his mother present age is 33 years. Rohan's present age 7 years. Mother's present age is 33 years. Okay, na? Okay, children, first exercise is done in quadratic equations. Exercise 1 is done, only one problem left. You have to do it as homework. Okay, na? Okay. You can leave the class now. Dhanyavad.